In this video, we are going to be studying how to round numbers to the nearest tenth, which is the same thing as to one decimal place, and it's also the same as the first decimal place. Let us see an example. In 6.357, the first decimal place is 3. The first decimal place is the number immediately after the decimal point. Now, how do we know if we are to round up or we are to round down? Let's look at the number immediately after 3, which is 5. We said if the number immediately after the number we want to round is 5 or above, we round up. So because it is 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 3, and it will give us 4. So where 3 was, we replace it with 4. We now get 6.4. And every other number after that is replaced with a 0. So we have 0, 0, and we have rounded up. So 6.357, we rounded it up to 6.4. Let us see another example. 13.432. We want to round up or round down. The first decimal place is 4, which is immediately after the decimal point, and the number after 4 is 3. Now 3 is less than 5. Because 3 is less than 5, we round down and we have 13.400, and we have rounded down. I know it's very, very easy. Let's look at another example. We have 124.3951. Now the first decimal place is 3, which is immediately after the decimal point, and we have the next number after 3 to be 9. Now we said if the number after the number we want to round is 5 and above, we round up. Now 9 is greater than 5. So because 9 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add to 3 to give us 4. So rounding 124.3951 to the first decimal place, we get 124.4. And the numbers after the first decimal place, we replace all of them with zeros. So we have 124.400. I know it's very, very easy. Now let's go to rounding numbers to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number is the number just before the decimal point. The nearest whole number is the number just before the decimal point. Now we have, in this case, the number just before the decimal point is 4. Now the number after the decimal point is 2, and we said that to round numbers, we look at the number just after the number we want to round. Now 2 is less than 5. Because 2 is less than 5, we round down. So 34.235 becomes 34.000. We have rounded down. Let's look at another example. We have 154.851. We are rounding to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number is 4, which is just before the decimal point. And after the decimal point, we have 8. Now we know that 8 is greater than 5. Because 8 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 4. It then becomes 5. So where 4 was, we replace with 5, and we have 155. All the numbers after that we replace with zeros. So we have 0, 0, 0. I know it's very, very easy. Let's look at another example. We have 40.12. 40.12. So the nearest whole number is 0. The nearest whole number is 0, and immediately after the decimal point, we have 1. Now 1 is less than 5. Because 1 is less than 5, we round down, and when rounding down, we just have 40.00. I know it's very, very easy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Please make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share.